Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. When Honda unveils the 2025 GB500 Super 4 Special Edition, it isn't merely launching another retro bike, it's resurrecting a legend with modern flair. This version blends classic café-racer aesthetics with contemporary performance tweaks, creating a machine that commands attention whether parked under a spotlight or rolling through twisting backroads. With exclusive finishes, bespoke detailing, and Honda's engineering pedigree, the GB500 Special Edition is poised to become a collector's favorite from day one. Under the sculpted tank and stripped-back styling lies a drivetrain that bridges nostalgia and utility. Rumors suggest that Honda might adopt a tuned variant of its proven 471 cubic centimeters twin, the same platform seen in the CB500 family, to deliver reliable mid-range punch. This choice would make sense, combining modern liquid cooling, fuel injection, and emissions compliance with a characterful engine that's smooth, usable, and familiar to Honda's stable of 500 class machines. One of the key draws of the Special Edition is its elevated aesthetics. Expect custom paint schemes, pinstriping, and unique badging that evoke classic European café racers. Perhaps elongated solo seat cowlings, brushed metal finishes, and gold-accented components will distinguish this version from the standard GB500. The overall goal: to evoke the romance of 1970s motorcycling while avoiding pastiche. For the rider, this means owning something timeless yet fresh. On the chassis front, the GB500 Super 4 should retain a simple but effective frame architecture, lightweight steel trellis or double cradle with modern refinements. Upgraded suspension components, perhaps adjustable forks and rear shocks, and better brakes, front dual discs, rear single disc with ABS, would be fitting enhancements for the Special Edition. The handling would therefore be nimble enough for spirited rides while remaining confident around town. Pricing is always the sting in the tail for special models. Based on comparable Honda 500 class bikes, and factoring in premium finishes and limited production, a ballpark MSRP of $9,000 to $11,000 feels plausible. Interestingly, one source already cites a price around $9,499 for what appears to be a GB500 Special Edition variant. That positions it above base 500s, but still accessible to enthusiasts wanting more exclusivity. If demand and branding push it further, it might creep toward $12,000 in some markets. As always, new special editions carry inherent risks. Honda must balance aesthetics with durability and ease of maintenance. Owners will expect the same reliability standards Honda is known for, even in a more stylized variant. Any compromises in component sourcing or complexity could tarnish the appeal. But if Honda ensures quality control, the GB500 Special Edition could become one of those rare modern bikes that age gracefully in value and legend. In summary, the 2025 Honda GB500 Super 4 Special Edition seems destined to be more than a flash in the pan. With a mid-sized performance core, thoughtful styling touches, and premium details, it offers a compelling package for riders who want a blend of character and daily usability. Priced around $9,000 to $11,000, or perhaps $9,499, it could attract both seasoned collectors and younger riders looking for a distinct piece of Honda's legacy, especially in a 10-minute narrated video that blends design, performance, and story into an engaging tale.